Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the final video in my little Jesmonite mini series. I will be doing more Jesmonite videos after this, but as I had the week off, I just thought it was really nice to just put a video out every night. And in this video, we're just going to have some fun and make some trays. I have already mixed my colours, you would have seen in a previous video. These pots I now know are not liquid tight. I've just been shaking up my turquoise and yeah, I splashed it everywhere. Anyway, it's going to be a chilled out video, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to be using colours pre-made that I've made myself, but then I'm also going to be using the Jesmonite pigments neat to do any marbling should I feel like I want to do some marbling. But I'm going to cut all that out for you guys, and all you're going to see is me making each individual tray. Hope you enjoy.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know. It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. 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 I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
Hey everyone, I hope you really enjoyed watching me just go crazy with Jesmonite with no rules and just having fun. I had the most fun making all of these trays and honestly made them all within an hour to 2 hours. It was 2 separate days though. The purples came on the second day. I have to just show you my favourite one out of all of them. It's this one where I sprinkled on the Jesmonite dust. Look at this. It's created all of these holes and it just reminds me of raw concrete and I just love the rawness of it. It really is my absolute favourite. This has been sealed with 2 coats of Jesmonite sealer. yeah, oh, look at, I don't know what it is. I love the smooth, but I love the chunks being taken out of this one. Yeah, definitely my favourite. And these three here are pretty much close seconds. This one here, you would have seen me just splash it around. So much fun, honestly. And of course the piping bag was another one that I just thought, let me try a piping bag. The pressure is on though, because you haven't got a long work time, but had fun doing it, and I have to say I have loved every second of filming this video. Couple of things just to mention is that somebody, well, two people have already told me now that you can use Jesmonite retarder, which is a liquid that you put into your Jesmonite to elongate the work time. So you can have, maybe instead of a 5-10 minute work time, you can make that 15 to 20 minute work time. So that's definitely a product I'm going to look into, which will make working with this a little bit more fun because you get a little bit more time. But I also am loving the fact that I don't have time to think. And these are the results. When you don't have time to think and plan too much ahead, these are the results. I just find them just so random and beautiful. One of my other favourites is this one. It just reminds me of wispy clouds and skies and just sunny days, and I just absolutely love them. The other note to mention is that my Etsy store is now reopening tonight, Saturday night. It's reopening, so by the time this video ends, if you fancy owning anything that you've seen on my channel over the last 6 months, all of my trays are going up on my Etsy. The ones that haven't already been sold outside of Etsy on my Instagram. Then everything else that is available is going up tonight, so that link will be in my about section. And I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some inspiration to just have fun, muck around, chuck it all in and just see what results you get. I just absolutely am obsessed. The mess is real. My craft room looks like I am losing a game of Jumanji, but it's okay. I will spend today and tomorrow cleaning. And yeah, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching my mini series. I appreciate you all. Take care and have an amazing weekend. Bye.